Hey everybody, so I'm going to explain the difference between operant and classical conditioning and define some of the things that the professor would like us to. So starting with operant conditioning is learning by behavior being strengthened by a reinforcer or diminished if followed by a punisher. Usually these associate between stimulus and voluntary responses. This conditioning can also be recognized as associating our behaviors with consequences. One of the videos in this modules with the guy in the YouTube video, he talks about how when the rat presses on the button and it releases a candy, that is a operant conditioning, because if it's getting something in return, then it'll keep pressing the button. The operant conditioning is also an act of doing something in exchange for a reward, so like the rat pressing for the candy. Next is classical conditioning. Classical conditioning is learning where one is linking two or more stimuli and anticipating events. This is usually involuntary. It also associates stimuli by involuntary responses. It is considered as an adaptive form of learning to help an animal survive. So it's like, you can think of it as like a natural instinct in a sense like that. And this conditioning shows how learning can be studied through behavior. So some of the things that she wanted us to define is conditioned stimulus, or CS. This is the stimulus that is caused by a response due to it being compared to an unconditioned stimulus. Next is conditioned response, and then this is what is caused by the conditioned stimulus being paired with the conditioned response. And then we have unconditioned response, which is a natural or unlearned behavior. So think of it like, again, natural instincts. And then we have unconditioned stimulus, which is a stimulus that causes an impulsive response. So if someone scares you or something, some people have a tendency to naturally throw a punch or something like that. So thank you for listening and enjoy your day.